used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laugh for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears, and not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. It's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you, my friends, with only you.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng iisang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong. Kahit na anong mangyayari, kahit na saan ka man patungo, ngunit ngayon kay bilis maglaho ng kahapon. Sana'y huwag kalimutan hanggang sa magdamag na para bang tayo'y mauubusan sa ilalim ng bilog na buwan. Mga tiyan natin walang laman, ngunit kahit na walang pera, ang bawat gabi anong saya. Ngunit ngayon, kahit bilis maglaho ng kahapon, sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsamahan. Kung sakaling gipitin ay laging iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan. Minsan ay hindi mo na alam ang nangyayari, kahit na anong gawin, lahat ng bagay ay merong hangganan. Dahil ngayon, tayo ay nilimot ng kahapon. Hindi na mapipilitan buhayin ng ating pinagsamahan. Ngunit kung sakaling mapadaan pa ka, ikaw ay aking tawagan, dahil minsan tayo ay naging tunay na